Hello Ayman, how are you? I will show you a quick explanation. First of all, I won't be able to do this, completely, but I will show you what I mean about topology and stuff like that, and everything that should be connected here, because as you can understand from at least from the little that I try to explain, is that something is wrong with this portion. So we will start off by attaching anything that we have here, so you will be able to see what I'm talking about or understand. So you see you have this edge here, this edge, I double click it and it goes loop, but it's not closed loop. Okay, we have missing edge here. So either you complete this edge or you delete it, also this one. Okay, so in order to do this, you simply go over edit mesh, and let's pull this menu because we will work with this. And you want to go to interactive split tool, click on it, and then you will see orange dot whenever you hover your mouse on your model. So I want to snap it to this vertex and close this loop that way. Okay, you left click on this vertex, left click on the vertex you want to complete, and right click to close this. So you have this thing here, okay, this edge. You want to do this also to each one of those open loops you have here, that way. And here we have other issue, and we will do this other way, in a different way. You hold on the shift right click, choose insert edge loop, and we will add one edge loop, sorry, not here, control Z, one here and one here. Okay, I'm relying on this edge or this edge, see. And now you can take the interactive split tool and connect these, connect this, same here. Okay, and let's do this again. Insert edge loop, insert one edge loop here, one edge loop here, in order to connect this edge, inner edge, to a loop. Okay, so insert interactive split tool, and we will connect this one. Okay, that way. And then we will use the merge vertex tool in order to connect this edge to this edge here. Okay, so simply grab this edge, click on it, hold your left mouse key and point to this vertex, so this will merge them. I hope that you know how to use those tools. It's pretty simple, but we will do this over for this one and for this area here, and also for this one, and also for these. Okay, that way. This. Now we have another problem here, so we can grab these edge and these edge and connect them. So we will do this that way, this one over here, and this one over here, and this one over here, and that one over here. Okay, now the only problem we left is here, those, you see, those that are not looped. So we want to loop them, but it's better to create them and connect them these to this inner edge. I mean this edge here, this edge to this edge. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You go over merge vertex tool, connect these, connect these, go over the other side, connect these, connect these. Okay, and here we have a little bit more problem with those corners. We have these that we can connect that way, this one to this one. Okay. Okay, we still have a problem there, but just a second. Can connect this one to this one, and this one to this one, and we will do this also here. We will connect these two, go over here, connect these two, so that way we are closing a loop. Okay, that way. And here at the other side also, so connect this one with this one. Try to be symmetrical in this. Okay, and here we can grab the interactive split tool. Okay, but first what I will do, I will grab this vertex and this vertex there. Okay, this vertex also, and this vertex also, and I will pull them with the move tool. Where is the move tool? Oh, sorry. Okay, let's do this all over again. No, just unselect all those. So I'm grabbing those, and with the scale tool I'm scaling them back to look like a circle. Okay, and here you can just come interactive split tool and connect those. Okay, sorry, yeah, that's okay. Now we want to do this over here, interactive split tool, and connect those two. Okay, so now that everything is pretty much connected, we also have these, and we want to do this also for those. So let's grab these two and these two. Okay, same process, we are bringing them down a little bit, use the scale tool to bring this circle shape, and go over the interactive split tool and connect them to a loop. This one and this one to this one. Okay, so this is somewhat okay. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Okay, now if we will press 3, you can already see that the shape is somewhat okay. Okay, but you see there is those points here. Basically you shouldn't have them here, so I just created them, and I'm not satisfied with this. I'm not pretty sure that this is how it should have looked like, but if you look into something here, you will see what's causing the problem. Okay, the problem is that we have 4 faces here that are not quads. Okay, they are like 5 corners. Okay, you have 5 vertices for this face, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now this is the problem. Okay, it's not quads, and therefore it looks a little bit weird in this area because there is nothing that really pulling this edge here to the same direction, and it's causing this weird effect here. Now before that, you can also come to object mode, shift right click, insert edge loop, and you can add edge loops here. Okay, now it will be edge loops, complete edge loops like this, only if you patched everything as we did. Okay, so now if we will press 3, you can see it's been a little bit more sharper here, and it looks much better than before. But the problem here is that we need to turn this face here, the 5 this 5 vertices face, to a 4 vertices face, and therefore you will need to use the interactive split tool or the merge vertex tool or delete something here. Okay, now it deserves a little bit of thinking. So we will start with interactive split tool, and we will create loop interactive split like this. Okay, and right click. So now we have quads, but we still have here this issue. This become a five corner face. Okay, so that means that this is not really the solution here, but you can try and draw this all the way like that. Okay, over here. Okay, so in this area in this row we have like 4 faces, and that's okay, but we still have to deal with this 5 faces. So it's either that you will try to connect something here, like taking the merge vertex tool and connect this one to this one. Okay, but then you will have triangles. So I will undo that, sorry, undo that, and let's try do something else. Let's try interactive split tool and maybe split it in some other way. So let's start like this and like this, and basically you will have to go all the way to the top and loop it. Okay, so sorry, let's undo that. Let's go over shift right click, insert edge loops, and sorry, object mode, insert edge loop, and basically want to create edge loop like this. Okay, here, and I almost sure that it fixed this. Okay, but we just have some extra edge here, but it's better than having a 5 quads, a 5 corner face. Okay, it calls n-gons. Okay, 4 4 4, if you can see 5 here. Okay, so we deal with that, and that's fine, I guess. And we want to do this also over here. So interactive split tool, and let's start the splitting from here, over here, over here. That way we have 4 4, yeah, and maybe go over the other side and go that way to this one. Okay, so we have 4 4 4, yeah, everything is 4 here, so that's fine. Let's do this also here. It's not perfect, you know, you need to put a lot of thinking, I guess, for this work. Topology is very challenging when it comes to topology, and you want to make a good topology. It's better to know what you're doing, but it pays off because your model will be in good topology, and that way quads basically gives you a good detailing for your model. So as you can see, we created some kind of frame. This is the frame that I was talking about. So if you will grab this vertex and this vertex and this vertex and push them a little bit like that. So you can see we managed to create some kind of a frame to this, okay, to this hole, okay, and it can serve you in a way that sorry, if you will come over here and let's create another thing, insert sorry, create edge loop here and edge loop there, and go to interactive split tool and connect this one with this one, okay, and this one with this one, same here, okay. So now everything got this 4 quads, these 4 vertices, okay, nothing got more or less than that. And we managed to, as I said, to create this sorry, this frame for the keyhole. So if I will want to create edge loop here right now, see we have some point here that it's not really they're going that way, but it's still constrained here. So if you will press 3 to smooth this, basically you can see that the hole is look much more better that way. You can add another edge loop here and flatten this area here. No, not here, let's add it here, one edge loop here and one edge loop here, so it will be squarey here in this area, see, and that way it just look better. You can always adjust these things, I guess. It's not like something perfect right now, but that way you manage to make it look good, okay, and that way also you can easily come, and if you think that this edge is too much detail here and you don't want this, so you can get rid of this one and still have this these quads, you see, because you get rid of one particular edge that is looped and it's like it's never been there. So now if you will press 3, or it's already in 3, okay, it's already in smooth preview, it looks a little bit better. You can also get rid of those if you like. Sorry, this one, shift, and this one, shift, right click, delete edge, and that way bring the circle to look a little bit better, and still yet everything is on quads, okay. So I think this is pretty much it for this explanation. Just make sure that your model always have quads and doesn't have anything else. There is another something I want to show you is, wait a second, I didn't use Maya for 2 months, and I'm a little bit forgetting a few things. Okay, so here with this cleanup option, which is here in the mesh, you can come and choose 4 sides faces and faces with more than 4 sides, okay, and click apply. Now if we were into let me first grab it again, mesh to object mode, cleanup, and choose those options and click apply. You just need to wait. Okay, I've done a mistake. Okay, so this is the settings. You need to select matching polygons, this one, key constraint history, and faces with more than 4 sides. If you grab your object and apply these options to the cleanup and click apply, and you see that your object is not selected anymore. That means that you don't have any more triangles or other faces with more than 4 corners. So that means that everything in this model right now is quads. And let me save this file, save scene. Okay, and let's download your key again. Okay, we'll just download it. And let's change the name for it, 3. Okay, let's see where it is. I will bring this over here and close this, bring this, and let's open this file, this original file of yours, and we will try to apply this. Okay, oh, it's opening another session of Maya. Oops, sorry, it will take a moment. Okay, so this is your model, right? And it was closed, and we will go over file, open scene, desktop, 3, open. Okay, so this is your model, and if I will apply these cleanup options right now when it's selected and click apply, you will see that Maya will select all the faces that are problematic right now, that have more than 4 corners. You see, all those faces are basically messed up, and this is what I was trying to tell you. This is how you identify faces that are not quads. Okay, so you can see this one has 5 corners, so this is why the reason is selected, and this one also, and therefore also this one, because it has this edge here, you see. And this is pretty much how you know if something in your model is not quads. Okay, this is it, man. I hope that this helps you.